Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me VIVO Y21s, and I can show you top 3 best themes for this device in my humble opinion. So, theme on the third place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So let's find it and let's install. Click open, get started, I agree, confirm, continue, while using hello. You can choose, I guess, wallpapers. Great. So this is really beautiful launcher. Here we have really beautiful fonts, really beautiful icons. This launcher provides a new feature. So here we have the apps grouping feature. As you can see, all applications are grouped by groups. Of course, if you need to create new groups, unfortunately, you need to pay for it. But for free, you can use these 6 groups, and I think it's normal amount of groups for normal using. But this launcher provides a really big wallpapers gallery, and here wallpapers gallery updates every day, so you can change wallpapers to really beautiful wallpapers every day. For example, I like this wallpaper and I want to use this wallpaper for today, and that's great. Sounds great. It's really minimalistic and beautiful theme. On the second place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. So let's find it. Click open, then get started. While using the app, hello, continue. We can skip the login into the Microsoft account. Of course, if you want to use your device in pair with your Windows device, you can sign in, but I have Mac device, so I don't need to log into the Microsoft account. So why I like this launcher and why I think that this launcher is one of the best launcher for this device. So basically it's because here on the left panel we have Glance. Glance panel is the panel we can set up and we can locate all our widgets here in the one panel, and it's really handy to use, and I suggest you try to use it. In the main menu we have alphabetical line. Alphabetical line, it's really best way to find any application. If you will try it, you will like it. We have hidden apps feature, and we have gestures here. In launcher settings, we can set up gestures. For example, swipe up. I don't know. No, not swipe up. For example, double tap, and I wanna open albums by double tap on my home screen. For example, of course, you can set up it in your own way. And if you like multitasking, if you need to open several applications at the same time on your device and you need to work really fast on your device, so I think you need to try this launcher because it provides you the really great tools to be multitasking. Okay. And on the first place in my top is Niagara Launcher. So try to find it. Niagara, click install, wait a while. Click open. And I know that this launcher is not too beautiful like previous, but this launcher really great. So here you need to choose your favorite tabs. Okay, and here we have only our favorite tabs and alphabetical line to find any application. Of course, if you don't like to use alphabetical line, so you have normal search. And that's it. We have no anything else here. So it's really minimalistic. It's really minimalistic launcher with really great tool with the best alphabetical tool with your main menu, and we have normal main menu search. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, so leave me a like and give me a comment under this video. Subscribe to our channel and bye. See you.